When we take a lens like this, it is not hard to see the screws around this barrel. What is less obvious is that they can still be useful after they leave factory, especially during the integration process. So, how can they play a role in the integration process? Let's see some examples. And first, let's take the lens with coaxial light port. When we put this lens onto the camera, it often happens the light port faces the wrong direction. It may face the brackets or cable, anyway not the direction we want. Of course, we can try several times to take this lens off and attach it to the camera again and again until it faces the right direction. However, we have a simple 3-step method to solve this with the screws. First, loosen the screws so that the lens body can rotate, and then turn the light port to the direction we want. Finally, tighten the screws again. And the same method can also apply to the prism mounting. These screws are very small detail, but they also reflect a broader consideration. Besides field of view, resolution, and working distance, we also need to consider how the lens can work with the camera, illumination, and other components. At VICO, we often take these integration details into consideration when supporting the project, because the lens needs to not only work in optical calculation but also work in the actual mechanical layout.